Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering the Pensonic TV and confirming you can see the picture. This ensures the TV responds to infrared. Next, insert fresh batteries into the universal remote and stand 3 to 5 meters away so signals are consistent. Once done, put the remote into code search mode by holding the TV or SET button until the LED blinks. This primes the remote to send candidate codes. Doing these steps first prevents wasted attempts and speeds the pairing workflow. With the remote in search mode, try entering a code from the Universal's Pensonic list if you have it. This is the fastest path because exact matches send the right IR pattern. If you don't know a code, use auto search. Press the power button repeatedly or hold a designated key and let the remote cycle through codes while aiming at the TV. Make sure to watch the TV closely. When the set turns off or responds, stop searching immediately so the remote locks onto the correct code. After the TV responds, save that code by pressing SET or Enter as instructed so the remote stores it. Then test essential buttons, power, volume, channel, and input to confirm full control. If some functions are missing, make sure to retry the auto search or try alternative Pensonic codes because remotes may map volume to a different code. If nothing works, check batteries and line of sight, reset the remote to factory, or try a different universal. These troubleshooting steps resolve most compatibility hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.